It's a World Beach Pro Tour Futures Ljubljana champions and gold medalists are Bautista Mieva and Leo Aveiro from Argentina!
We have a lot of fun. We found Argentinian friends. An incredible experience. The tournament, the city, the organization, the people here was awesome, really awesome.
Dame in gospodje, dobrodošli v Ljubljani. Dobrodošli na Kongresnem trgu, kjer znova spremljamo svetovne zvezde odbojke na mivki.
For me, I love the beach and the sun, and yeah, my first time playing a tournament not on a beach, like in the city centre. This setup is amazing. I think the greatest thing about beach volleyball is getting to travel the world and getting to go to really cool cities like Ljubljana and play in front of really cool crowds.
Love the atmosphere here. The audience really enjoy the game. Our player is a player of amazing match, and I think this is the successful tournament.
Pa ono što ja volim u beach volleyu je na polju si, na sjajnim lokacijama, turniri su uvek na nekim plažama, na nekim jezerima, morima i to je nešto što indoor nema.
Ljubljana is nice. We have a nice city center. There is a lot of cozy restaurants. It's nice to walk through. If you look at the square here with the trees and the nice buildings, nice city. It's a small but really cozy city.
This event is fantastic. So it's a possibility for young players to play and to climb in the ranking. Happy and proud for the work and very well organized by Extreme. Hvala Ljubljana.
Tudi letos je bil turnir v Ljubljani izredno uspešen. Poleg svetovnih zvez odbojke na mivki so na svoj račun prišli tudi slovenski pari.
Vsako leto na teh mednarodnih turnirjih je konkurenca zelo dobra. Vsako tekmo moraš iti 100% noter.
Mislim, da je to eden najmočnejših turnirjev tega nivoja svetovne serije. Kitajska ekipa, proti kateri smo igrali, je ena izmed Kitajk bila na olimpijskih igrah. Ko veš, da toliko ljudi navija zate in da je tako dobro vzdušje in da navijajo, je fajn.
Hvala sem navijači, ki so naj prišli spodbujati.
Tako da navijači, obvezno se vidimo tudi naslednje leto.